the students of class 10. Now today I am going to explain you about the images, how the images formed by the light. So there are the two types of the image which is formed by the light. That is first one that is called as the real image, and the second one that is called as the virtual image. For example, real images are those images which is formed on the screen, like that photo or that is in the theater. So all these are the examples of this real image, and the virtual images are those images which does not form on the screen, like that your image is formed on the surface of water. These types are, or your image is formed on the mirror. So all these images are virtual images. Now I am coming towards the next part, that is called mirrors. Mirrors is of how many types? So mirror is of, that is spherical mirror is of two types. First one that is called as the concave mirror, and the second one that is called as the convex mirror. So for explanation of this concave mirror, like that, just suppose this part, this is the reflecting surface, like this is the curvilinear part is the reflecting surface, and this part, that's why this types of the mirror is known as the concave mirror, because it's a curvilinear portion through the reflection can takes place. So if we draw a principal axis, so this is the PC, this line principal axis, then C the center of curvature, and P is the optical center. And suppose if anyone asking you what is the radius of curvature, then the radius of curvatures are those points that distance between center of curvature to this optical center, which is P, that is known as the radius of curvature, right? Now similarly I am discussing about my convex mirror. So convex mirror is just opposite of this your concave, this concave mirror. Here is the reflecting portion is this one, the bulging part. This is called as the bulging part. So reflections can take place through this part, and this is the polished surface. And the same way you will get it here, that is center of curvature as well as the radius of that is, this is called as the focus point. So the distance between center of curvature to the optical center P, that is known as the radius of curvature. So this is about the two types of the mirror. Now I am discussing about converging. So this is the converging part and this is the divergent. So converging part of the, that is the mirror, that convergence can take place in the concave mirror, when all the parallel ray of light reflecting by the plane surface and meet at one point. That point is known as the focus, and the distance between focus to the optical center P, that is known as the focal length. So this is known as the converging. So all the rays will be meet at one point. Whereas in the second case, you will observe that convex mirror. So in this case, what happened when all the parallel ray of light that strike to the plane surface, and what happened? It diverges. It diverges in the medium, through which medium which is coming. So it will be diverged here, but we can find its that is called as that virtual. Its focus is formed beyond this optical center. So here if you are measuring the focal length, then the focal length will be P and F dash. This distance is known as the focal length in this case. Okay. So now I am giving you one of its PDF. There you are just understanding what is the difference between the images and what is the difference between the concave and convex mirror. Through that you may read it, and the definition of this concave mirror means that is converging part and diverging part. Okay.